XT1 only requires a single compliance test every 3 to 6 months, and it only takes about a minute. That's it. Let me show you how it works. To begin the test, you'll need your Compliance Pack 1. This bottle contains the Trolex approved compliance test dust sample, and you'll need this in just a moment. But first, you'll need to connect your unit to the Breathe Light software via USB. Next, place your unit into the base and cover with the hood. With the XT1 selected, head to the Maintenance section and under Actions, choose Compliance Test. To start the test, insert the nozzle of the sample bottle into the hood and give it a good few doses of particulates. Once the test is completed, the results will be displayed here. And it's a pass! This XT1 is now ready to continue to monitor particulates and save lives. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple and no costly return to base. Thanks for watching.